Hello, everyone. Good morning and congratulations. You have the test link, I guess, by now. And we are on to Tech Mahindra hiring non SDE. Many are confused over like what is this SDE? SDE stands for Software Development Engineer. Okay, so this is round two, and 2 hours time would be given to you. You are supposed to solve many questions in 12 sections. To be more precise, in the first 4 sections, we have like 30 questions, and fifth section is like one code, and then left with 7 sections into 5, those would be 35 MCQ types. So that is what you need to do in 2 hours. Now, these first 4 sections are timed. I'll tell you which section is for how much time. And this is timed for 30 minutes. Next 8 sections are untimed, but you need to complete the entire test, the entire assessment in 2 hours. So, how much time you save in these 30 minutes, you would be getting it to solve this untimed one. In untimed one, you can browse through different sections, go through the questions, and solve it. So, welcome to the pattern. Pattern is disclosed. So, we have 12 sections which we need to complete in 2 hours time. Section 1 is fluid intelligence. It's just a name given for I for detail type of questions. You must have watched my earlier videos where I've tell you where I have described what is I for detail type question. Basically, these are non-verbal reasoning questions, which includes like completion of figures analogy, odd one out in the figures, what should come next, something like that. Everything related to figures and diagrams, paper folding, paper cutting, mirror image, water image, everything. Okay, so here 8 questions would be asked, which we need to do it in 8 minutes. Once you have opted for this section, see what is there. There are 12 sections. You can start with any section you want. But mind you, solving the first 4 sections first, because those are timed section. You need to complete it in the time. And the timed section are something like once you have hit on section 1, okay, so you should complete it in 8 minutes, and then it will be closed. You won't be able to go back to this section again. Okay, so fluid intelligence, I for details, do practice. We have enough material. All links are there in the description. You can go and solve questions like that. Section 2 is analytical ability and problem solving. Here, basically, they will ask you question related to verbal reasoning. Like 8 questions, 8 minutes, again the same concept what we have discussed for section 1. Here questions would be majorly on puzzles, sitting arrangements, linear or circular, and like matrix format type of analytical reasoning. 6 people are there, 6 color shirts are there, 6 houses are there, 6 professions are there. We need to find blood relation, distance, direction sense, and whatever we have in verbal reasoning. Number puzzles, number series, number puzzles, ranking test. Okay, so this is what we have done it before in our aptitude test. Similar kind of question would be asked in this section, but Question would be easy because in 8 minutes we need to crack 8 questions. You need to be really fast. In section 3 is numerical ability, anything and everything related to your arithmetic. Quant's aptitude arithmetic, averages, percentages, profit and loss, interest, time and work, time, speed, distance, ratio, proportion, variation, partnership. The type of question which you have faced in round 1, similar kind of question, but those would be easy to calculate, and I don't think so that you would require a extensive calculation, or a calculator would be required. Maybe like you can calculate it mentally even. Okay, so again this is a timed section. 8 questions would be there which we need to do it in 8 minutes time. Section 4 is verbal ability, whatever you did in round 1, again with English language skills. Vocab, error detection, anagrams, synonyms, antonyms, word meaning, phrases, idioms. Okay, maybe like a small paragraph where you need to find the error. Special question would be on errors, then anagrams, and then pictures, analogies. Okay, so again 6 question, not many, 6 question and 6 minutes. So section 1 was 8, section 2 was 8, 3 was 8, and this is 6. 24 and 6 is 30. So in 30 minutes you need to do 30 questions in first 4 sections. My advice is first complete these 4 sections and try to save time on it. Because you won't be able to go back again in these sections. And as far as the negative marking is concerned, I am giving you the genuine information. I till now have no clue on whether there would be negative marking or not, but I think there won't be any negative marking. That's my piece of information, my gut feeling. There won't be any negative marking in these kind of time test, maybe. And all the information which we are sharing with you is genuine, and I take the liability of these information. Whatever I say, those are genuine. Whatever I know, I am giving it to you, and if you don't find it genuine, please double check it. Do not take any information from anyone without doubly checking it. So whatever I know, I am giving it to you. It's all up to you how you accept it. ठीक, मानो तो भगवान, नहीं तो पत्थर की मूर्ति. It's all up to you. But I'm trying to give it whatever I know, and are all genuine. 23 years in this particular field, I won't be doing cheating to myself. So again, on the concept of cheating, I'll ask you not to use any malpractices, because you know you have been watched. Metal platform, you have been watched. So if by chance they come to know that you are doing something mischievous this year, TechM would be over for us. So let's move on with the technical part. There are 8 technical section. I'm not a technical guy, so I'll just browse through my PPTs, and you just go through there. What are the different sections? I'll hold on for a while and you can see what are the different sections as far as technical round is concerned. Section 5 is like one question on hands-on programming, programming code you need to write on this. And again, every section from the technical part will be of 90 minutes max. 90 minutes would be like max can be 2 hours. If you don't opt to do the top 4 section, then you have 2 hours. But if we consider that we have like invested 30 minutes in top 4, then we have max 90 minutes. Untime, we can move from one section to another section and try out things. There is no timing. So in that stipulated 90 minutes, we need to cover up those 8 sections. If we write a code, then we are left with 7 MCQ sections. Each section is of 5 questions each, And now you know the time bifurcation by now. Section 6 is data structures, 5 questions. And 7th is algorithms, 5 question again, MCQ type. So I'll just go through 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And because I have nothing more to say on these section, what kind of question would be asked. So enjoy it, and share it with as many people as you can. And thank you once again for participating and believing in us. And if you liked our work, the way we are doing it and producing videos for you, so that it might be of some help to you, please subscribe to the channel and let other people also know about us. We are very new on YouTube, and just help us grow. That's it. Best wishes to everyone. And sorry, in the morning में सबको उठा लिया मैंने, but this was required. So share it with people, so that before they hit the test link, they know actually what they are going to expect from that particular 2 hours of non-SDE tech hiring 2021. So thank you once again, everyone. Do subscribe to the channel, and remember, I'm Mohit Jain from MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. I'll see you soon. Yes, I'll see you soon, very soon. Thank you.